They adapt easily to humans, but never submit to them, keeping their independence intact. Their games are not just play, they're intelligence and training. The barn owl looks as if someone carved its face from porcelain. The heart-shaped disc around its eyes acts like a perfect acoustic radar. Thanks to this shape, sound literally slides along the feathers straight into its ears, allowing the bird to hear a mouse beneath layers of grass or snow. Its wingspan is about 3.5 feet, yet its flight is almost completely silent. The feathers along its wings have a special fringe that dampens the sound of air. In the darkness, the barn owl appears suddenly, like a shadow. Its white belly flashes in the moonlight, making it seem as if a ghost just flew past. That's why in old European legends, it was considered a mystical bird. But behind all that mystery is a remarkable hunter. In one night, a barn owl can catch more than a dozen rodents. The African ostrich is the ultimate record holder among birds.